I figure I'll go and do a video on this portable DVD player I just finished repairing, and that's to help others because when I went ahead and looked up this model number, I noticed it has a design flaw with it, and that is the factory oil and grease becomes sticky over time and the laser assembly ends up getting stuck or doesn't work at all, and you get the no recognize or no disk error. So there's two ways to fix it. One is that you hold down the mode switch on the unit as you power it on, and then the screen will go black, and what it does is you'll hear a series of disturbing clicks. Let it do that for a few seconds, then go and turn off and back on the unit, or just push the mode button twice again to go back to DVD mode, and normally that will free up the laser and it'll start working again. The other way, which is the permanent way I fixed it, was actually to go ahead and take this whole laser assembly out. You do have to at least disconnect this cable right here, and then what you do is you flip the laser over, you go ahead and unscrew the actual slides and everything else. I went and cleaned them up with 99% alcohol and stuff like that, all the oil and stuff like that. And then I went ahead and just used light machine oil and stuff and re-oiled everything, put it back together, and it works flawlessly now. That's the permanent way fixing, then it's not gonna happen again. Now it just slides back and forth smoothly like it's supposed to be and everything else. Now the model number that happened to was this model here, which is sd-p1900, and it happens to other models too that's similar with the same mechanism. And yeah, I got the box right on top of my printer, but I'm gonna go and show you now it actually works. So let's go ahead and put a CD in. I can't play any music or anything like that because of copyrights, but at least you can see it actually functions now. Okay, oh yeah, I gotta hold the button because the cover's not on it. And you can also see the disc spin up too. And here's it playing a CD. And there you go. And it also played where I left off at last time, which is nice. But there you go, it is functional. And it plays everything fine. I already went ahead and tested it for a while. Nothing wrong later. Matter of fact, I think this DVD player was actually pretty much new because it came in the original box and everything like that, all still wrapped up. So whoever had it didn't use it very much. I'm gonna go and put it in test DVD and just see. And it takes a little while to load this because I gotta still load the sub menus and everything. Once I see that laser goes more touch, then you'll probably see it too. So I'll just leave. Yep, there you go. It's picking up the menu now. Should be there any second, and there you go. It's gonna start playing now. And that's it. So can't play too much video, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. But it is fully functional now, so I'm gonna go and put this all the way back together and then try it back once it's all reassembled. So I went ahead and fully reassembled the DVD player. Show you it still actually works too. And there you go, you can hear the motor turn on. And there you go. And this is one of those discs that actually takes a while to load. But she fully functions. I tried a couple other DVDs on it too and it plays back fine, so it is fully working now. I would show you like video and stuff like that, but due to copyrights I can't. I'll just show you that it basically works and stuff, goes to the menu, loads, and that's about it. Okay. There you go. So it is working now, and then I can just hit stop. But here was the mode button I was telling you about, that if you want to try to do it without having to take it apart, you just hold this down while powering it on for a few seconds. It's going to make a series of loud, disturbing clicks. Once it does that, then you just either hit the mode button again or go to DVD mode, or just power it off and back on, and that's it. So hopefully that will help someone fix this problem and keep these things from going to the garbage. But this concludes the video.